Knowing who you're talking to is crucial before creating any visual content. Study audience research through surveys, social media insights, and customer feedback. Create audience personas to tailor your visual content effectively, ensuring it resonates with your target audience. Set clear goals for your visual content strategy. Align these goals with your broader business objectives, whether it's increasing brand awareness or driving sales. Use SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to create a clear roadmap for success. Select the right types of visual content to engage your audience. Infographics simplify complex information, videos offer high engagement and versatility, and images enhance visual appeal. Each type serves a unique purpose in your strategy. Establish brand guidelines to maintain consistency. Define your brand's color palette, select complementary fonts, and standardize visual elements. Choose the right platforms to distribute your visual content. Instagram is ideal for photos and short videos. Facebook supports various formats, and Twitter X is great for infographics and GIFs. Tailor your content to each platform for maximum impact. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more digital and video marketing tips.